Hello guys, we are back. And we are back with Wind Up Wally. We're back with Wind Up Wally. And just gotta wait now. So I'm gonna pop the camera up right down here so you can see me compared to the box. The box is quite small compared to me. If I reached the height of the box, I'd have to do that. So anyway, well, I already am recording on this. So anyway, okay, so I'm pretty sure we got to flip this thing to here before we actually can get the, contents out. But before that, let's read his bio together. I'm gonna turn it to the back so you guys can read it if you want, but then I'm gonna read it myself. So, okay. Wind Up Wally, a pint-sized clown toy, sat inside a dusty antique shop for as long as anyone could remember. Then one summer, everything changed. The new shop assistant, Gary, swore the toy whispered to him at night, begging to be wound up again and again. Customers laughed it off until the day Gary vanished. Days turned into weeks, and still no one had heard from him. Then one morning, Wally was perched on Gary's register, his key turning its own. The owner of the store tossed it out, but strange things kept happening. Dull heads swiveled, giggles echoed through empty aisles, and Wind Up Wally kept reappearing on the shelves, no matter how many times he was thrown away. So if you hear a wind up key in the dark, don't look, run. So yeah, that's Wind Up Wally's backstory. Now let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so we do have to tip this over. I think it's this way we have to tip it over, probably. Yeah, it's probably this way. Oh, he's already just taking it out of the box. Yeah, I think you gotta flip that over. Dude, what did you... Well, that's actually impressive, because I thought that would damage it.
Yeah, move your screen.
I can't.
You gotta angle it down or something.
I gotta move the box is what I gotta move.
There it goes.
But that won't stay. Wait, how do you do that? Okay, this little wear and tear. Oh, there's zip ties for this guy? I would not have expected that. So then we got the clothing, and then the whatever the heck this is called, the
Wind up key.
Yeah, the wind up key. And then we have maybe the biggest part of the animatronic, the head. Hello, I am Wind Up Wally and I am constipated. The arms. Listen, do not jump in the box, buddy. This is not a toy. This box is not a toy, Tilson. Get out the box, man. Get out the box. So I am going to unbox everything. That's what we need to do before, we can get the arms. Wait a second. Is this, is the foam meant to stay on the arm or no?
Yes.
What about the leg?
This probably goes on the legs, yes. Those are all this probably goes on them. To fill them out.
I took the foam out.
It's fine.
It doesn't really matter. But either way, other arm. Tilson, you're blocking our view. You're blocking the viewer's view, Tilson. Yes. Tilson, can you stop? Okay, now it's time to unwrap the feety feet. We're unwrapping the little baby feet of Wind Up Wally. And in Dogman terms, Wally means stupid somehow, so they shouldn't have named him that. Because in Dogman terms, Wally means stupid. There we go. Clompers. It took us like 6 minutes to unbox this whole thing. He has a lot of parts. We have to have. Let me see if this is actually wearable. And then the last piece, the adapter. I can't even get it out of the box, god damn it. There we go. The adapter is out of the box. I gotta take the thingy off it. Oh yeah, it is just a tie, so you can simply just untie it.
Kids are so hungry. Hey, just so you know, it said you had the low power mode, so it might die before we finish building it. So
Yeah.
you might need to pause it and
Go back to it.
restart once it's built. Well, you
Yes.
can probably do that. You should probably tell them we're gonna build it and then we'll be right back. You know how to edit them together, right?
Yeah. We're gonna build Wind Up Wally. Maybe the viewers want a tutorial. No. Yeah, no. We're gonna build Wind Up Wally and we're gonna be right back. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm Wind Up Wally and I'm being built. I want to be attached to the body. Peace.
Wally needs some help getting his hat on. I'm pretty sure that this guy is the same voice actor as Bobby String. Wind Up Wally is on. He's on censor mode.
Oops, I didn't mean to scare you.
Yo, that's good. Wait. Line me up one more time.
I'm wound up way too tight.
What? Yeah,
Is it a hole or what is that?
kind of a hole.
Wind me up. I dare
Yeah, it's already
you.
got a hole in it.
Let's do that again. Again.
Right on his table.
I would send a message. You say we just assembled
Do you still have the receipt?
Da, 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 da.
Wind me up one more time. Or else.
No, it's fine. It's fine if his head has like a
Yeah,
little.
they'll send us a.
Yeah, they'll send you a
They'll
replacement.
send us a replacement.
Which means we would have an extra head to put out somewhere.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.
Gory.
Good old one.
Oops, I didn't mean to scare you.
Okay. Buddy's time.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh my god, that scared me.
Did you say what that is?
Way too
What?
tight.
You are my favorite animatronic.
I really like that one.
Yeah.
I think it's cool.
Wind me up. I